So phones, they drop, they break, but they're still really expensive. Then all these repair shops, like $300 to fix an iPhone screen. No. So I'm gonna ask the question: should you just fix your own phone? I've got this iPhone 6S from a friend, which is very broken, and I've collected up the parts, which I will tell you the prices of, compare it to a repair shop. Also, show you how to repair it, how easy it is, and you can decide: should you just pay someone to do it, or should you save the money and do it yourself? I'm certain that this phone does work. It's not charged. I didn't charge it. But yeah, you can see there it does work. Screwing the two bottom screws. And these screwdriver sets, if you're just getting them cheaply for one phone, can be gotten cheap, like $10 on eBay. So if you're only doing one or two phones, I recommend just getting a cheap one. We lift off our screen. Huzzah! Now, obviously we're fixing the screen, but while we're in here, we are also going to fix the battery. All the parts I'm using are not Apple official, but this will also generally come with its own set of tools. Our iPhone screen is now completely detached. Even though we're replacing the screen, we'll still need the rest of this. Plastic pry tool. Whatever you do, don't use a metal one. There we go. This Ella King aftermarket one here. A higher capacity it should be. The official one. And here we've got the new battery. Also, this one has once again come with a lot of tools. And that's the new battery in. It actually became quite popular a little while ago. I was reading about this thing online, right? Where it became quite popular a little while ago for uni students who were in any sort of like tech course to provide tech support, like tech help to other students for cheap, because they would still make money. That, we've still got to put the phone screen in. That is the new phone, completely constructed. Let's attempt to turn it on, see if the battery has any charge in it natural. Okay, nothing. Let's go give it a little bit of a charge.
Ah, shoot.
So in the end, we end up with a working phone with an improved battery and an improved screen for pretty cheap.
Just quickly touching on the price of the repair. For the screen, it was $37.88 AUD, and for the battery, it was $29.99 AUD again. So rounding, that's about $70. USD would be lower, and according to Google, to get it repaired out of warranty, it would be about $149. That is over half. That is a lot of money saved. And that's only a screen replacement for Google, not the battery too.
But it definitely had its downside. So to the original question of, should you fix your own phone? My answer is, if you have experience with electronics or fiddly things, I honestly think yes. While it's not impossible, it would be hard to damage it further. Worst case scenario, you just don't fix it and you get it fixed at a repair shop anyway. If you're being careful, it will be hard to damage it beyond repair. But if you have no experience with electronics at all or anything like that, you might just be better off getting it repaired somewhere else. Because even for me, who has experience with electronics and experience with computers, it's still not the easiest task in the world. But overall, it's still something fun to try, fun to experience. You also should weigh out how much you trust yourself, how expensive things like your phone are. Like if I had an iPhone 14, quite frankly, I would probably be getting a professional to do it. Because if a professional stuffs up, I'm not taking the fall for that. They are. So it really comes down to your own choice. But my general opinion is, it's a graph between the more experience of electronics you have and the least expensive your phone is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm a small tech channel that will help out a ton. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.